United States, more than 15 million households, that's about 1 in 10, get their water from a private well, and well water must always be tested and treated to make sure that that water is safe to drink. Now, the majority of houses in America get their water from a public water supply. This water is tested and filtered at the utility, but no matter how you get your water, you may want to consider installing a filter of some sort in your house to remove impurities, improve the taste, and eliminate any odors. There are many different types of filters. Some are installed on the faucet itself, like this, or below a sink. These point-of-use filters serve just one fixture. If you want to filter the water at every fixture in the house, you'll need to install a whole house filter like this.
So a couple years ago when we moved in, we immediately noticed that the water had kind of a funky taste and smell to it.
For this installation, we chose a two-part system. The first part is a woven filter that will remove any sediment. The second part, this big canister here, it's actually filled with granulated activated charcoal, GAC, to improve the taste and smell of the water. The first step is to find a location on the water main supply pipe that's easily accessible, since the cartridges will need to be changed regularly. Be sure to check the manufacturer's recommendation for any necessary clearances. First, shut off the main water supply. In this house, we installed plywood over the brick wall to provide a secure location to mount the filter. Before you cut the pipes, clean the copper with emery cloth. If you can't drain down the water in the pipe, be ready with a bucket and use a tubing cutter to make a nice, clean cut. Next, dry fit the water filter into the existing water line. It's a great idea to install shutoff valves on both sides of the filter system. This will allow you to replace the filters easily. So I've added this bypass to allow you or anybody to shut these off and open this up so that just during the period you got to service it, water still goes to the house, okay? But in normal position, close, open, open. Once everything has been dry fit into place, tighten the compression couplings on the filter housing and solder the remaining connections. It's important to work away from the filter so you don't melt the plastic. Time to turn the water on. With the water turned back on and the shutoff valves in the correct position, the unit is ready to go. With a whole house water filter, you'll get clean, filtered water every time you cook, bathe, do laundry, and pour yourself a nice glass of water.
That's really good.
Perfecto.